would you like to grow more with less work? Well, it's Saturday, so let's ask Riley. He's got some really good tips. And as we get really close to summer, you know what Saturdays are. Saturdays are reserved for you and what's going on in your garden. This is where we get inspiration. This is where we get ideas. And this is where I get the motivation to come out here day after day and show you exactly what's possible in a deep mulch garden. I went ahead and put a string up here for this bean a couple weeks ago, and it's already producing. You can do this too. And I invite you to become a member of this community. There's no obligation. All you have to do is send in a photo now and again, help motivate others in growing their own garden. Lynette's deep mulch garden is in full swing. The corn is tasseling, the tomatoes are loaded, and the squash is producing well. Summer is coming, just right around the corner. Thank you, Lynette. Walter's small deep mulch garden is taking off. The radishes are looking beautiful. The beans and cucumbers are trellising nicely. The okra and the tomatoes, they're starting to fill out the small space. Walter, this looks incredible. Thank you. I think this volunteer bean is going to be producing here pretty quick also. Let's go ahead and take a look at a couple more friends of this channel. Robin and Jason sent a great 10-day comparison. As Jason said, we have a jungle. This is awesome. Thank you, guys. Mike and Linda's deep mulch garden in Zone 8 is lush and maturing well. The amount of okra that's going to come in is going to be enormous. The hardest work you ever do in a deep mulch garden is harvest. Mike, Linda, your garden is fantastic. Aren't those wonderful? Go ahead and hit the like button. It helps YouTube push this out to more people that like to learn how to garden. And if you hit the subscribe button, you wouldn't hurt my feelings. Now we're just waiting on these tomatoes to turn red. Riley says mulch is the best way to increase your production with the least amount of work. Hey Riley, you want to see if we got anything good to eat? Hey Riley, look. Look. Our first round of beets. Now we planted these in late winter. Anybody ever said you can't have enough beets? There's 3 nice ones. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. You want to see if there's a turnip? And look at this. Oh, and this is round 2 of our turnips. Nice greens, beautiful size. While I was hunting for this, I see Riley over looking at something else. Let's go take a look and see what Riley's found. Larry wanted to share why we do it. And I'm yet to get a bowl that looks like that because I keep eating as I pick. Larry, that looks just delicious. Mary is new to our community and has some mobility challenges. But she wanted everybody to know you have options to grow food if you want to. Thank you, Mary, and welcome to our community. It is almost summer. Riley's out here telling me it's kind of warm, but he came over his garden. The one thing that I'm going to bring in the house. See, Riley, it's our first pickle. We got our first cucumber of the year. Now to recap, Riley says if you put deep mulch down, you're going to have less work and your garden's going to grow a lot better. Riley also says the hardest work you're ever going to do in a deep mulch garden is harvest. Remember, you can do this too. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's go get something to eat. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.